Konnichiwa. If you are a very beginner, you are very welcome. My name is Lily. I was born and raised in Japan. When I was in college, I took some Japanese classes to study Japanese with Americans. And it was a unique experience for me to witness how tricky it was for people to study Japanese. I've been teaching Japanese for more than 3 years. I know Japanese is not that easy, so I am willing to boost up your motivation to study Japanese. I've seen students study Japanese but not practice it with Japanese afterwards. You need to always practice and speak, or else it will be easy for you to forget. Let's speak more and make more mistakes. Making mistakes are the key to remember things in life and improve. I am willing to support you. Thank you for listening. I hope to see you soon.
皆さん、こんにちは。私の名前はリリーです。私と一緒に日本語を勉強しませんか？楽しみにしています。では、またクラスで会いましょう。
Lessons are playful, with short, interactive activities designed to keep their curiosity alive. For children ages 10 to 12, focus on simple daily conversations and self-introductions in Japanese. For teens ages 13 to 18, the journey deepens. Students will learn hiragana and katakana, strengthen their grammar skills, and develop everyday conversational abilities, all through structured lessons using textbooks. No matter your child's age or level, our classes are dynamic, interactive, and adaptable. Join us, and let's make learning Japanese an exciting and rewarding adventure.